Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a surprise Happy Mail. So this comes from one of my YouTube subscribers. We've become friends and we have connected through Instagram and YouTube, and I really enjoy getting to know Janice, and that who has sent this Happy Mail to me. I actually had a Christmas box that I was preparing for her as well, but with the Canada Post strike, everything's been delayed. So this, I was assuming, is a Christmas gift. I'm going to have to send a return reply, maybe a Valentine theme, and yeah, because I have been accumulating some things for her. So Janice, if you're watching, something's coming. One thing in the box is definitely Christmas themed, but it was perfect for you, so watch for that coming. And let's see what has been sent to me. Oh wow, oh, look at this beautiful box. Everything is all wrapped in lovely red tissue paper. She knows my favorite color is pink, so that is pretty. So let's see what's inside. Tony, it looks like this is a New Year's gift now. And I did send her a card. She is a wonderful, talented card maker. I always enjoy seeing her creations, and I actually got a new hanger for Christmas that one of my crafty friends gave to me, so I can now display a lot more cards in my craft room and rotate them through. So I'm excited to be able to put these on display. So let's take a look. Ah. So she always has these really cute characters that she colors, and these are my favorite kinds of colors: pinks and pastels, the mint greens, and these sparkly enamel dots. She always does such a great job. And the one nice thing as well is that she has flat cards, so if you are mailing them, they aren't expensive. I just mailed some cards. It cost me $2 because they were thick. And I was sending 20 of them, so it was like $45 for me to ship out some Christmas cards. So that's cute, and she has a little stamp specifically from my pad to yours. She's got a new stamp that's going on the back of her cards now that she had shared with me. That was exciting. So look at this beautiful wrapping. And she had said, sorry, the wrapping's not as beautiful as yours. This looks very beautifully presented. So let's start with this one. Wonder what she's wrapped them with, if this is wrapping paper or like a scrapbook paper. Oh. Hey, Santa. So I'm working on my December daily right now, and crepe paper. Hey, Santa, I don't think I had anything from that collection, but I do love crepe paper, and that is a really nice stamp collection. A lot of these stamps will be beautiful for creating backgrounds with the stars and the snowflakes, and I love word stamps as well. Thank you for that. Oh, one of my favorite things, and actually something I didn't buy any of this year. I usually seek out this brand, and it is hot chocolate. Merry Christmas and snowman poop. You've been naughty, so here's the scoop. All you're getting is snowman poop. So that's great. I didn't pick up any of these this year. I always love the packaging of them, and they always have such interesting, unique flavors. I did get some other hot chocolates this year, but other people in my house enjoy hot chocolate, so I think it'll be nice to have some ones maybe I can throw in my bag and take to work with me so I actually get to drink some of them. So thank you for those. What is in here? Aww, look at this gorgeous little mushroom trinket tray. That is so cute. And it's got like polka dots and pink. This is so perfectly me. I love little mushrooms. That will go great in my craft room. It's like Christmas all over again. I'm kind of glad that it's delayed getting here, and actually it's been sitting in my craft room for a long time. I just have not had an opportunity to film the opening of it. So I'm glad to finally have the time to do so. I love these. This is something that I can't get here, so I'm really thankful for those sparklets. That will be great to make shaker pockets out of. I love it. Thank you so much. That is beautiful. She knows me so well. Inside here, more polka dots, polka dot paper. Okay, we have blueberry and vanilla bath bombs. My favorite kind of scents. I love things that smell like they taste yummy. And so blueberry and vanilla are right in that wheelhouse. I gravitate towards things that are gourmand flavored, and that definitely meets the category. Oh, and to go with the bath theme, and she's got these wrapped so cute. I want to save these little ribbons. I love this gross grain ribbon that she's used here. We've got some English garden. Oh, that's funny. It's Daphne is the, I guess I don't know if it's like the brand or the distinction for this one here. And one of the things that we have really connected on is Daphne's Diary. And so that's really cute. It has that same sort of vibe of Daphne's Diary with the beautiful florals and yeah, the English garden. Another thing I'm happy to receive, I love chocolate and peanut butter. My favorite combinations, chocolate coconut, chocolate mint, and chocolate and peanut butter. And so I'm grateful to have more treats, because as many chocolates as I got over the holiday, and in fact, this is funny, I was commenting with this to my friends, I think everyone who gave me a gift included pretty much some form of chocolate. So people know that I like chocolate, and in this house, there's lots of people to share with. We have a Aquafina hydrating lip balm, perfect for this time of year. Vitamin E, almond oil, and jojoba oil. So that would be great. Kiwi and original flavorings on those. Super great. What have we got here? Something material. Ooh. Yeah. Very pretty. Wow. So this is like a pouch, a pencil case, makeup case. Could be used, I'll probably use it for craft supplies, to be honest. This looks like it's handmade. This is handmade. I bet you she got this from a craft show. That is beautiful. My favorite colors. Those are my three favorite colors. Yellow, pink, and like a, this one looks kind of like a teal, could be a mint green, could be a blue, but I love that color combination. I also love this color combination. It's a jar opener. I struggle with opening jars quite often. I actually give them to my kids now, and it's got this nice backing on it so that you can get a good grip, and and open with this beautiful pattern. I really like that. Handmade with love. I'll have to ask her where she got this from. One of the things that we did this year is we really tried to support a lot of local artisans. So we purchased a lot of gifts. My daughter, I took her to Vanderwees and they had a craft show. She did all of her Christmas shopping, and not only did she support local artisans, she had some amazing finds that were really well suited for the people that she was gifting them to. So I was glad that we were able to participate in purchasing local and from artists. Ooh, we have some socks. Oh, they're cute. They're from Michael's. That's interesting. I didn't even know Michael's carried socks. I haven't got any word yet on the Michael's grab boxes. If you've watched my channel the last 2 seasons, both Halloween and fall, I did back-to-back grab boxes that were pretty amazing. I'm really interested in keeping an eye out for their Christmas ones. So I'll keep an eye out for that, but I did not know Michael's carried socks. Those are super cute. Very adorable. And actually something that is so practical. I love practical things, and you can never have enough socks. And last but not least, what is this? Oh, it's a bookmark. No, it's not a bookmark. It's a keychain. It's a holder. Key holder. A magnetic hook. Magnetic. Trying to think of what I have in my craft room that is magnetic that I could attach this to. So it's got the magnets on the back, and then it's like you're supposed to curve, yeah, you curve the tail up like this, and then you can hang things on it like keys. I love cats, and I know she does as well. It's part of her handle. She's Tabby Cat, and it is really cute that she sent this to me. I would have a cat, except I'm allergic to real cats, which I'm really hoping that over the years they develop some sort of new technology to make it so that I can be a cat owner someday, because I just think they're the cutest, most feisty, independent, playful things that would be lovely to have in the house. But until now, I'm just happy to have my little cat magnet hook. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Janice for all the lovely surprises. There will be a follow-up happy mail that I'll be sending to you. Just have to decide on what kind of theme I can make it. Like I said, I can change most of the things to be not super Christmassy. They could go either way. They're wintry. Yeah, but one thing is definitely Christmas. So anyways, maybe you can have like a Christmas in January. They always do Christmas in July. It could be Christmas in January. Now that we have Canada Post back working, I'm able to do more unboxings for you. If you are interested in seeing some of my other unboxings, I will leave links for you here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.